Dear students, today we will be doing chapter 2 of General Science Standard 7, that is plants, structure and function. Today we are going to start with plants, structure and function. Structure means parts of the plant and function means what work they do to keep the plant alive. You have studied this in your previous class also. Now let's quickly recap our learning from the previous classes. In this picture we can see the brinjal plant. So you have to label the different parts of the plant, that is leaves, stem, fruits, flowers. So quickly stop the video here and try to label the parts of the plant. We have fruit, that is brinjal, we have flower, we have leaves, we have stem and we have roots. I'm sure. Where does the plant come from? And so the seed has two main parts, plumule and radicle. Let us understand first one, plumule. Plumule is the part of seed that grows above the ground and forms stems and leaves. This part is known as plumule. Okay, this part grows above ground and forms stems, leaves, flowers, fruits. Okay. Radicle is the part of the seed that grows below ground and forms roots. This is radicle, जो ग्राउंड के नीचे ग्रो होते हैं, जिससे रूट्स फॉर्म होते हैं. ओके, जिससे रूट्स फॉर्म होते हैं. और ये होता है प्लीम्यूल, जो ग्राउंड के ऊपर होता है, जिससे स्टेम्स और लीव्स फॉर्म होते हैं. एट फर्स्ट द रूट्स ग्रो डाउनवर्ड्स. सीड से रूट्स निकलकर आते हैं. दैट इज नथिंग बट रेडिकल. फर्स्ट यू सी द रेडिकल ग्रो एंड इट फॉर्म्स द roots. First of all, the radicle grows and it forms the roots. The other part that grows stem, that part is known as plumule. Okay. Above ground part is known as plumule and below ground part is known as radicle. Both primary root and secondary root together forms taproot. Taproots are long and goes deep into the ground to find minerals, grow in areas where water is not easily available. यानी कि टैप रूट्स वो जगह ग्रो होते हैं जहाँ पे वाटर इजीली अवेलेबल नहीं होता, यानी कि जहाँ पे लेस रेनफॉल होता है, अवेलेबिलिटी वाटर की कम रहती है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल कैरेट, पाइन ट्री एक्सेट्रा. ओके, there are two types of roots, taproot and fibrous roots. The first one is taproot. Okay, a taproot has a large central and dominant primary root from which other secondary roots grow laterally. See, taproot में एक एकदम मेन रूट होता है, उसको हम बोलते हैं प्राइमरी रूट. ये डोमिनेंट रूट होता है. ओके, जब एक प्राइमरी रूट से दूसरे रूट्स ग्रो होते हैं उसको हम बोलते हैं सेकेंडरी रूट. दिस वन इज प्राइमरी रूट, मेन रूट, डोमिनेंट रूट. ओके, सेंट्रल रूट. एंड दिस वंस आर सेकेंडरी रूट्स. ओके, दिस इज रूट हेयर एंड दिस वन इज रूट टिप. The second one is roots. What are roots? You have already studied this in grade 6. So, the roots are the parts of the plant which usually remains underground. They collect water and minerals from the soil. वो मिट्टी से minerals and पानी collect करते हैं plant के लिए. Now, let's understand the different types of variety of roots. What are they? Taproot and fibrous roots. let us understand the next topic, that is fibrous roots. The main difference between taproot and fibrous roots. Let us understand. The fibrous roots consist of several thin thread-like roots. Thin thread-like roots means धागे जैसे उनके रूट्स होते, एकदम पतले और एकदम शॉर्ट, न ज़्यादा लॉन्ग. ओके. Fibrous roots are short and do not go deep into the soil like taproot goes. They are found in regions where water is available near ground surface because they do not go deep into the soil. Few examples of fibrous roots are grass, coconut tree, onions, etc. Okay, these plants are available where more rainfall is there. Plants like maize, sugarcane, sorghum have two types of roots. Some roots are underground, whereas some grow from the stem, just above the soil. The latter are called adventitious roots. Now, what do you mean by adventitious roots? It means roots that grow from any part of the plant other than radicle or its branches are called adventitious roots. Besides the normal function like absorption of water, mineral, anchoring, supporting the plant, root performs some different functions too. Root shows some modifications to perform these additional functions. Some example of such modified roots are aerial roots, split roots, runners, breathing root, pneumatophores, etc. Now let's come to the next topic, that is stem. So the stem is the part of the plant which is found above the ground. Okay, stem एक वो part होता है जो ground के हमको ऊपर मिलता है और roots कहाँ पे मिलते हैं? नीचे. It grows from plumule of a seed. It bears leaves, fruits and flowers. Bear means प्रोड्यूस. स्टेम प्लांट का वो हिस्सा है जो ग्राउंड के ऊपर पाया जाता है. इट ग्रोज फ्रॉम प्लूमिल ऑफ अ सीड. इट मीन्स इट इज अ पार्ट दैट कम्स अबाउ ग्राउंड एंड फॉर्म्स स्टेम. नाउ लेट अस स्टडी द फंक्शंस ऑफ द स्टेम. इट सपोर्ट्स द प्लांट. वो प्लांट को स्ट्रेट रखता है. दिस इज द रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ऑफ द स्टेम टू कीप द प्लांट straight. It transports food and water to different parts of the plant. वो plants का खाना पानी अलग हिस्सों में पहुंचाता है. Stem is the storehouse of food in the plants. We know that the plant food is made by the leaves. Plant का food कौन बनाता है? Leaves. The extra food is stored in the stem. जो extra food होता है वो किस में store होता है? Stem में. Now let us study the structure of a stem. So basically stems are made up of two parts. They consist of nodes and internodes. Okay. See, nodes and internodes. The region where the leaves arises are known as nodes. जहाँ से leaves निकलते हैं वो जगह को हम बोलते हैं nodes. The region between the nodes is known as the internode. The space between nodes is known as internodes. The tip or the apical end of the stem is called the bud. See, observe a branch of any plant and identify its different parts as per diagram. Now let us study about the leaves. What are leaves? Leaves are green, thin, flat organs responsible for photosynthesis in plants. It arises at the node of the stem. Okay, just now we have studied, right? Now what are the function of the leaves? Now green leaves prepare food by using water, minerals and carbon dioxide in the presence of sunlight. This process is called photosynthesis. Now we will study the structure of the leaf in the second part.